time up will be 20. By the look of it.
20, yeah, you good?
Once you're on the roll.
Power is good.
The green.
On lane, shall we go box stop on the roll 08? 55 rotate.
This one is a lie. Sat around laughing and watched the last one die.
400 feet AGL for flaps up. And up to you to control your temperature.
That's fine.
Traffic in the area of Holland Landing, Cooks Bay, 172, Foxtrot Golf, Foxtrot Alpha, just departed Holland Landing, presently climbing through 1,400 feet. We'll be crossing over the 404, following woodbound south. That's Holland Landing, Cooks Bay area traffic, 172, Golf, Foxtrot Alpha, 1,500 feet to the east of Holland Landing Air Park.
Airport, information Mike, weather at 2200 Zulu, wind 110 at 7, visibility 15, few clouds at 3000, few clouds at 15,000, few clouds at 22,000, temperature 18, dew point 6, altimeter 3020, IFR approach is
I'm on Buttonville now.
Yep. Wind check.
1208.
One medevac switch on route, good day.
Flight 1 medevac, traffic travel class position 4 miles southwestbound. Looks like they're heading to the island, indicating 2,000 feet. You want to talk to Toronto for radar following?
Affirmative, we see Montecast, flight 1 medevac.
Roger, cleared on route 1334 for you. Good day.
Good day.
Delta Mike 0, 180 if you need it. Taxi Charlie Bravo, and you're going to 14?
15 for Delta Mike 0, thank you.
Delta Mike 0, taxi Bravo to 15. Good night.
Thank you very much, Delta Mike 0.
Oh, where'd you come from? Kitchener?
Yeah, out of Kitchener.
Buttonville Tower, Foxtrot Golf, Foxtrot Alpha with Mike.
Fox Golf, Fox Alpha, Buttonville Tower, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Buttonville Tower, Fox Golf, Fox Alpha is 172, 2,000 feet just to the north of Crescent Lake. Request transit through your zone, 32.
Golf Fox Alpha Tower, altimeter 3020, clear to the control zone, squawk 5373.
5373, Golf Fox Alpha.
And where are you going after that?
Returning back through your zone to Holland Landing.
Sure.
5373, right?
Yep.
Got it. Yep.
Media 5, ground, cross runway 21, south side, your discretion. Good day.
Have a good day.
So I just follow this south and then...
Yep. So what you're going to do is eventually, because you're transiting, once you're over Buttonville, you can just slide to the right so that you're not on the east side of the 404.
Yep.
Right now, I mean, this keeps any conflict from upcoming traffic at the minimum. But since you won't be descending to 1650, you just maintain this. Then as you get close to the airport, you just maneuver. Because actually, the way Steeles goes, way 404 goes, it goes east at Steeles anyway, right? So
yep.
Just maintain. This is good.
Basically follow the 404 southbound.
So just go between, see that all these houses there?
Yeah.
And all that there, stay down the middle. Just because you don't, and also keep an eye out for, there's some spaces here and here, there's football fields, I'm keeping my eyes open.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing too. Because right now you start running out of space, right?
Yeah. Okay, just team P's are good, feels good.
To take you out of this place, someone you could lend a hand.
And there's the ship condo to the right of all
Golf
these.
Fox Alpha Tower, contact City Center now, 1182.
Golf Foxtrot Alpha. 1187
decimal 2.
118.
Got it.
Set Alpha Romeo.
City Tower, Foxtrot Golf, Foxtrot Alpha.
Foxtrot Golf, Foxtrot Alpha, City Tower.
Good afternoon, City Tower, Foxtrot Golf, Foxtrot Alpha. Just clearing Buttonville zone, request city tour.
Golf Foxtrot Alpha, altimeter 3019er, clear in the city control zone, remain north of the shoreline.
3019, Golf Fox Alpha, remain north of the shoreline.
Golf Fox Alpha, where are you landing next?
Returning back to Holland Landing.
Roger.
That's nice, get the city shoreline.
Well, it's kind of, you're good.
I thought you meant I was just too high above the...
No, you're bang on, perfect.
Golf Foxtrot Alpha, traffic amount east of the CN Tower orbiting Jet Ranger helicopter 1,500 feet.
Golf Foxtrot Alpha looking for traffic.
CTV1 traffic 4 north of you, southbound, Cessna 172, 2,000 feet, they're going to be over the downtown. CTV1 looking.
City Tower, Golf Foxtrot Alpha.
Golf Foxtrot Alpha, Tower.
Tower, you cleared me to north of the shoreline. Does that include south of the CN Tower?
Golf Foxtrot Alpha, affirmative, you can orbit around the CN Tower, just remain north of the shoreline.
Golf Foxtrot Alpha will remain north of the shore.
Sierra Alpha Romeo, next to left Foxtrot, contact ground 121.71 off. Sierra Alpha Romeo.
We're going to get a bit of turbulence off the buildings here. Now, how tight is the shoreline to the water?
Well, you know what you do is you just aim for spin ahead just to the threshold end of 08, and then you just bring yourself back in. You can see, because you can't see the ground yet, right?
Yeah.
And just maintain what you'd guesstimate to be 500 feet from the center at least. So just as long as you're following the shore. Yeah, you've got a fair chunk, but you're going to follow right on the shoreline.
Yeah.
To the left of it, right? Good.
Oh my goodness.
Foxtrot Kilo Whiskey Oscar, how much longer before you run up?
City CTV1, we're done in the downtown core at Buttonville next.
CTV1, roger. Photo 425 tower on departure to left direct AVSI on course, climb that above 3,000 and device ready. Can you get by that Cessna 172 ahead of you?
We'll wait for him, Porter 425.
Photo 425, check marks on departure to left direct AVSI on course, climb that above 3,000.
Oh, there's a game. The Yankees are playing. Oh, goodness me.
Doing great.
Photo 539 tower on departure, flight runway heading, climb that above 3,000.
On departure, runway heading at above 3,000, Porter 539.
Good.
Pushing a broom out into space, and this is where I found a way. The stadium, Arcadium, a mirror to the moon. Well, I'm falling.
City Tower, Kilo Whiskey Oscar, holding short 08, ready for departure.
Foxtrot Kilo Whiskey Oscar tower on departure, proceed direct northeast corner of the harbor, climb out above 2,000 feet, wind 08015, clear for takeoff runway 08.
Not above 2,000, northeast corner of the harbor, clear for takeoff 08, Kilo Whiskey Oscar. City Tower will keep the present position for a little bit longer here.
CTU1, roger. Golf Fox Alpha, climb 2,500.
Golf Fox Alpha 2,500.
Alone inside my forest room, and it's stormy. I never thought
Quarter 425, line up runway 08.
Out of 08, quarter 425.
And I'm calling. Tedious ways that the media plays, but the animal gets what the animal. And I'm sorry.
I think I'll head out.
Okay.
30 tower, CTV1, complete. Headed northbound. Buttonville.
CTV1, right.
You want to stay east on the 404 then, on the Don Valley?
Yeah, should I call him up in the same?
Yeah, just head straight. Just maintain that course.
Joe, you asked me to put an airport there. Did you create a visual 08?
Yeah, 060 is good.
Quarter 946, City Tower, runway 08, wind 08014, altimeter 3019er.
Just say departing to the north, maintain east of the Don Valley.
Kilo Whiskey Oscar will be departing dash 8 traffic off runway 08. They'll be flying eastbound, climbing up to 3000. They'll pass off your right hand side.
Okay, we'll check Kilo Whiskey Oscar.
Quarter 425, Cessna 172 traffic, north side of the harbor, northeastbound, climbing up to 2,000 feet.
No reason what you're doing,
now,
right?
wind 08015, clear for takeoff, runway 08.
Activity, clear takeoff 08, quarter 425.
Right, 5375.
Maintain a little bit. Just right there, you're going to be pushed that way. So maintain 5
Quarter 539, contact Toronto 133.4 airborne, wind 08015, clear for takeoff, runway 08.
Oh, there's the DVP.
Yeah, it
Wow.
just happened.
Runway 08, quarter 539.
CTV1, contact Buttonville Tower 124.8. Oscar Hotel India, caution wait turbulence from departed dash 8. Contact Toronto 133.4 airborne, wind 08015, clear for takeoff, runway 08.
Good takeoff 08 and 33.4 near Oscar upon you.
Golf Foxtrot Alpha, you're back to Buttonville.
Roger, sir. Go Fox Alpha.
Golf Fox Alpha, contact Buttonville Tower 124.8, good day.
Go Fox Alpha, thanks, Al. Good day.
Free for now.
City everyone.
Buttonville Tower, Foxtrot, Golf, Foxtrot Alpha.
Fox Golf, Fox Alpha, Buttonville Tower, hello again.
Good afternoon again. Request transition to your zone back to Holland Landing.
Golf Fox Alpha, altimeter 3020, clear to the control zone.
3020, Golf, Foxtrot Alpha.
You might as well just maintain 25, then
Yeah.
you're clear, and then you got a nice little tailwind too. Your ground speed is now, another 111, so you're not getting the push yet. Preston Lake area, Foxtrot Alpha is 172, turning 2,500 feet over the lake. We'll be doing some orbits about 1 mile to the north for the next 5 minutes at 2,500.
And last call is Foxtrot Whiskey Mike Lima. It's about 3 miles to the north of the lake, 2,000. Southbound to Buttonville. I've got you in sight.
Roger that. Thank you. Go Foxtrot Alpha.
I need more than myself this time. Step from the road to the sea to the sky, and I do believe that we rely on. When I lay it on, come get to play it on all my life.
Coming down 2200.
Yep, we're going to come out a little bit lower.
Listen what I say. Oh, I got your hey. Oh, now listen what I say. Oh, when will I know that I really can go to the well one small time to decide on? When it's killing me, when will I really see all that I need to look inside? Come to
In my house here.
Yep.
my chance to ride. When it's killing me, what do I really need? All that I need to look inside. Hey, oh,
There's somewhere. Don't know if she's outside or not. Don't think she will be.
hey, oh. Come back and hey, oh.
Claremont area traffic, this is Kilo Whiskey Oscar. We're at 3.4, about 1 mile west of Transformers. We're going northbound at 3.5 towards Claremont, Kilo Whiskey Oscar.
Weather observation 2258 Zulu, weather, wind 070 at 3. Visibility 10.
Yeah, go.
Wonder where it's so white as snow. Gravity divided by a world so undecided, and there's no
Cooks Bay area traffic, 172, Foxtrot Golf, Foxtrot Alpha, 4 to the south of the southern tip of Cooks Bay at 3500 heading north. That's Golf Fox Alpha, 3500 feet heading north, 4 to the south of Cooks Bay.
Oh, they slide out.
They do. They got classical Cessna freezer water off.
Broken down. Now you bring it up, I'm gonna ring it up just to hear you sing it out. Step from the road to the sea to the sky, and I do believe what we rely on. When I lay it on, come get the.
Would you like to go somewhere particular?
No, I just whatever you like to do.
Listen what I say.
And Cooks Bay area traffic, 172, Golf Foxtrot Alpha, 2400 feet over the southern tip. We'll be following the left side of the canal down to Holland Landing, switching frequency 123.2, that's Cooks Bay area traffic.
The more I see, the less I know, the more I like to let it go. Hey, oh, whoa, beneath the cover of another perfect wonder where it's so white as snow. Privately divided by a world so undecided, and there's nowhere to go. In between the cover of another perfect wonder where it's so white as snow. Running through the field where all my tracks will be concealed, and there's nowhere to go. I'll say it
Around.
oh yeah. Tell my Lord now. Oh yeah. Tell my Lord now. Deep beneath the cover of another perfect wonder where it's so white as snow. Privately divided by a world so undecided, and there's nowhere to go. Deep beneath the cover of another perfect wonder where it's so white as snow. Running through the field where all my tracks will be concealed, and there's nowhere to go. I'll say it here, oh yeah, oh yeah. Tell my Lord now, yeah, oh
Time was 24.
Run and tell all of the angels, this could take all night. Think I need a devil to help me get things right. Hook me up a new
Yeah, Shane, that was tough.
This one is a
I guess TCAS is picking you.
Yeah.
around laughing and watch the last one die.
Traffic Golf Foxtrot Alpha is clear of the active taxi.
Now looking to the sky, saving.
That's a Buttonville call, clear of the active taxiway. I mean, taxiway, man, different.
Looking for